Our drill today is, we have a report that there's someone missing in an apartment.
Search and rescue.
This is our search and rescue rotation. The goal of this drill is to teach them how to find the fire, locate victims, call for the engine company so that they can come in and put water on the fire.
This is the key to the city right here. This gets us in anywhere we want to go. So we carry this up with an axe. We're going to send you in groups up. 2 people are going to go in. They're going to search for the life. If they find the body down, they're going to call the other group and direct them there. Get this done.
Every time we do any one of these kind of challenges, and I say challenges because everything about this is challenging, but we went up 2 flights of stairs in this gear, and I was holding an axe. You had a giant fire extinguisher, and Rachel had some big long thing.
You guys ready?
Basically, firefighters get up to the door. We force the door, force entry into the area. We start doing our search. So when we go in, it's usually filled with thick black smoke. We can't see anything, and the higher we are, the more heat there is. So we stay low to stay out of the heat as we make our way through.
There's a chair near the wall.
As we go in, we follow the walls around as our reference point, trying to map the apartment in our head so when things go wrong, we know where we are and how we have to get out.
As we're searching, we got our hand on the wall, we're crawling, we want to reach out, okay? We can use a tool. We can get low and use this tool to try to see if we feel anything. And then I can go off that wall with my leg and then come back to the wall. It's always a safe bet to get back to the wall.
When the participants go through, we usually have a victim there. They find a victim and we teach them how to remove the victim and how to make their way back out the way they came in, still not being able to see anything, but just by the sense of touch and that kind of map that you made in your head as you went through.
We're back here. Pass the chair. Left-hand side.
Hey, can you hear them?
You guys have to do this in every room of every fire you go in. I mean, there's so much to think about.
You know, Rachel's doing awesome. She was in there, she was leading the team. She did a fantastic job.
I can't imagine like multiple calls a day, and just even after these few little things that we've done, like my jacket is dripping with sweat.
You see how physically taxing it is, but also how mentally taxing.
Yeah.
You know, you get that heart rate going when you're in a dark room with smoke.
The folks who came here today, no matter what your field is, you know, you're an executive, you're this, you're that, the team effort, the focus, getting, over your fears. There was some, scary stuff if you have no initiation or familiarity with the fire service. There were things people did today, I think, that are going to change their life.
So what's May 4th, you guys, from now on, forever and ever?
International Firefighters Day!
Firefighters Day! I don't think they're going to put us on any squad anytime soon, but good job, team.
Good job, team.
Good job.
I can put out the fire in like a fireplace now. That's what I feel safe doing.
A big grill on a big green egg.
And she was a great team leader, and we all survived. Thank you to every firefighter out there and all of their families. Thanks are certainly not enough. Peace out.